Welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about Shiba Inu. We're going to be breaking down Shiba Inu from a technical analysis perspective, a fundamental perspective, and going into sort of some price predictions for this asset. Not going to keep you guys too long. Let's get straight into this video. Shiba Inu token. So we know Shiba started off as sort of a meme coin. It's sort of bridged into a lot of other things here. They've now got ShibSwap. They've got a massive ecosystem. Shibarium, which is like NFTs and stuff like that. And they've also launched like brother and sister tokens alongside Shib that you guys should know about as well. Bone token and Leash token. Every time that Shib pumps, these tokens usually have a little go as well. So definitely go check them out if you are trading Shib and looking to get in early on some, well, not early, but on lower prices, on a lower sort of scale for more gains, okay? So that's sort of what SHIB token is doing at the moment. Their most profitable thing is ShibSwap. People are using this and they are getting quite a lot of daily volume here. So yeah, that's probably the best thing about them right now from a utility standpoint, but we all know them as the meme coin, so let's keep them as the meme coin that we know, okay? So currently at a $7.23 billion market cap, not because of their utilities, purely because of the meme coin factor, I do believe, right? So yeah, 7.23 billion, not doing too bad over the last day in comparison to the other assets in the market right now who have dumped maybe 5, 10%. Last 7 days, gulp, 13% down, not great here. And all time, it's actually obviously doing very, very well, but the last year is actually down 65%, okay? So it's not had the best time here considering current market conditions. Let's get over to the chart and let's really dissect as to what's happening with SHIB and what could we be doing to be profiting off this asset now. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Solaxy. It's basically a Solana layer 2 based utility project that is about to launch. It's raised $25.6 million here, as you can see, and you can see here that there's 11 hours and 11 minutes until the next price increase. They're aiming for $26.1 million in this pre-sale. It's basically a layer 2 protocol for Solana, for memes, for improving the Solana network. And you can see no more network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations on Solana, but it's actually going to have the strength of Solana because it's going to be the layer 2 on Solana, right? So yeah, definitely want to go check out. Great utility, raised a hell of a lot of money. This has caught my eye. I think that we are going to see something very, very bullish here, guys. Definitely worth a look. Okay, they actually accept Ethereum and Sol, and I do believe USDC as well. If you guys do want to get involved with this pre-sale, they have had their audits done as well. You can see here on CoinSol, they've got their audits done. Everything is a-okay. So that's very, very good news there. And again, what goes by with raising $25 million without having an outstanding launch? We're talking centralized exchange listings. We're talking explosion in the price at the TGE event. Okay, TGE. Now, enough about that. Let's get straight into the SHIB chart because this is super interesting stuff, guys. Now, let's talk about this because you can see that we have had a low coming through around this area. We've had a higher low here, higher low here. We actually didn't have a higher low here, guys. It looks like we did, but it was actually unconfirmed because we didn't break this high. So even if we lose this structure here, guys, we're actually still going to be on a macro bullish structure all the way down to around 828, which is still technically quite a significant drop from where we are now. We're talking another 32%. Do I think this is possible? Yes, I do. I don't think it's going to happen right away. I think it's going to be a bit of a a bit of momentum stuff coming through from here. You can see that we've got a very, very strong Fibonacci level at 0.764 level there. And you can see this area is very reactive in terms of support most of the time, okay, and also resistance, okay? So this area is going to be an area for a point of concern if we do lose it. If we lose it, then the deep dark descent to the next higher low is very, very likely on the cards, as you can see on this yellow line here. But I do believe that we are going to see what do we call a lovely bounce point from this Fibonacci, okay? So if we don't bounce on this wick here, we're definitely going to bounce here, okay? So let's put a little line in there, and if we don't bounce there, we're going to bounce there, and basically it just gives us really clean levels. So we've got a 13% move there. If we do bounce on the Fibonacci, we've got another 7% move there. For a nice bounce to the upside, looking for those juicy longs, okay? Don't really want to be short in this market right now just because it's pretty unpredictable and we don't really know how how low this is going to go before we have a massive rebound and Trump stops shaking up the world financially. But yeah, overall, these would be the positions I'd be looking out for SHIB. Let me know what you think in the comment section for SHIB. But if we just look at SHIB overall, guys, from that all-time high point from this run, not the all-time high, but the high from this run, if we just go back to CMC, you can see here that yes, here you can see on the market cap level, 7.23 billion. We actually got all the way back up to around $20 billion market cap. That is basically a 2.8x from where we are now. Okay, so if you were to buy SHIB at these levels, and we do return to the previous high, which was the 12th of March, 12th of April, May. Okay, 12th of May here, that we did see that $20 billion market cap coming through here. So yeah, it's a very underpriced asset is what I'm saying, guys. So yeah, definitely DCA into this bad boy. Obviously do your own research and all that good stuff. But yeah, you know why we're here. We're here to make money. So yeah, that's why I did the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you did want to get involved in Solaxy, you can. All the links are in the description. I'll leave them there for you. Remember, guys, a $25 million raise doesn't go unnoticed, okay? And we really do see some massive price movements at the start of the launch when we do see this. So getting into this pre-sale is a smart thing to do, and a very easy opportunity to make some good cold hard cash. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.